Hey guys, Scarlett here, the creator of Wonder Curl, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a wash and go with only 2 styling products on your wash day. I wanted to get volume this time because it's summer, and there you have it. Now you guys know that I always start my wash and go using freshly washed hair. We're using the pudding and the jelly for this video. Got my detangling brush and my clips, and of course my spray bottle. Always, whenever you are doing any style for that matter, you want to section your hair. It just makes it a lot easier when you're applying your products, but it also helps you to make sure that you don't miss any parts of your hair. I always like to have my hair soaking wet. Now, I don't like soaking wet hair because I don't like water dripping all over me, but my hair needs to be soaking wet in order to absorb all of that wonderful product. And if your hair gets tangled easily like mine before there's any product in it, you want to make sure that you detangle it. Again, detangle as many times as you need to, because you don't want to have any tangles in your hair when you do a wash and go. I'm applying more water, and I'm basically just letting my hair tell me what it needs. You want to make sure that you're taking your time when you're doing your hair. I find that sometimes we want to rush through the process, and when we do that, we miss giant sections of our hair, and that's why sometimes our wash and goes don't come out. So I layered the pudding on my hair first, and then I'm going to, guess what, detangle. Actually, I'm brushing my hair just to make sure the product has been evenly distributed. Next, I am layering the Get Set hair jelly over the pudding. I prefer to layer my products because you'll notice how some sections of your hair might be medium porosity and it won't need as much product, whereas other sections like mine could be low porosity. And I use my fingers to work through the hair. I feel to see, okay, maybe this section of my hair, it's not smooth yet, it doesn't feel conditioned, so I just keep using my fingers until it looks and feels great. And you can see the difference between the section that has product in it and the section that doesn't. So we're just going to continue the same process throughout our hair. So again, we're going to water, detangle, we're going to add our products. We're using our fingers to create those clumps. Now, some people might use their brush to create their curling clumps. I personally prefer to use my fingers, and that's just because my curls are a bit more coily. I have type 3C hair, and I want my hair to have a little bit more elongation to it. When I use a brush to create my curls, it actually makes my curls a little bit too curly, and I get a lot more shrinkage. Now that I have all my hair is saturated in that product, again, you want to make sure that you don't miss any parts of your hair. I'm just going to do a little bit of scrunching because again, I'm going for some volume. I'm going to sit under my hooded hair dryer for about 30 minutes just to get a little bit smooth, get it set, and then we're going to go in with the diffuser. Using a diffuser gets my hair more volume than when I am using my hooded dryer. So again, depending on the tools and how you use it is going to determine the end results of your hair. So I sleep with a satin bonnet, and I didn't put my hair into any braids like I sometimes do, and now I'm just fluffing it out, and there you go, big beautiful hair. And if you like it, subscribe, and we will see you again very soon. Thanks guys.